Welcome to all of you, my friends, on the another session of the NCERT 7th Geography, Chapter 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. There is a close relationship between the height of land and the character of the vegetations. With the change in the height, the climate changes and that changes natural vegetations as well. The growth of the vegetation depends on the temperature and the moisture. It is also depend on the factor like slope and the thickness of the soil. Do you know? The type and the thickness of the natural vegetations varies from place to place because of the variation in these factors. The classification of natural vegetations. Generally, natural vegetations are classified as a forest, second is the grasslands, third is the shrubs. First is the forest. What is the forest? Forests are grow in which area where the temperature and the rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover, and depending upon these factors, dense and open forests are grow. Grassland is the natural vegetations which grow in the region of moderate rain. Shrubs, thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. Variety of vegetations in different parts of the different continents are found. Vegetations and the region. First, coniferous forests are the subpolar regions found, and thorny bushes found in the deserts. Thick tropical hardwood forests are found in humid regions. Do you know the changes in the type of the natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of the climatic condition. Different type of the natural vegetations of the world with their characteristic features and wildlife inhabited here there. First is the forest, tropical evergreen forest. Second is the tropical deciduous forest. Third is temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Grasslands, tropical grasslands, temperate grasslands, and thorny bushes. Tropical evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. This is the thick forest occur in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive the heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves together altogether. This is the region they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even in the daytime as well. Do you know the anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes, is found in the tropical rainforest. It can kill and eat a large animal such as a crocodile. And the tropical evergreen forest in Brazil is so enormous that it is like the lungs of the earth. Temperate evergreen forests. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-longitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents, such as in southeast USA, South China, and in southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus. Temperate deciduous forest. As we go towards the higher latitude, there are the more temperate deciduous forests. These are found in the northeastern part of the USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal region of the Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech. The bear, fox, wolves, and are the animals commonly found there, and the birds like the peasants, monals are also found here. Mediterranean vegetations. The Mediterranean vegetation, it is mostly found in the area around the Mediterranean Sea in the Europe, Africa, and Asia. Hence, the name is Mediterranean vegetation. This kind of the vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in USA, Southwest Africa, southwestern South America, and southwest Australia. In the Mediterranean region, hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as orange, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here because the people have removed and the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to do. There is not much wildlife here. Do you know? The Mediterranean trees adapt themselves to dry summer with the help of their thick barks and wax-coated leaves, which help them reduce the transpiration. The Mediterranean regions are now as the orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. In the higher latitude 50 to 70 degree of the northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are also called as the taiga. These forests are also seen in the higher latitudes. They are the tall, softwood evergreen trees. The woods of these trees are very useful for making the pulp, which is used for the manufacturing of the paper and newsprint. The matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from the softwood. Cheer pine, cedar are the important variety of the trees in this forest. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are common animal found here. First type of the grassland is tropical grassland. These occur on the either sides of the equator and extend till the tropics. These vegetations grow in the areas of the moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in the height. Savanna grassland of Africa are of this type. Elephant, zebra, giraffes, deer, leopard are the common animal in tropical grassland. Temperate grasslands, these are found in the mid-latitudinal zone and in the interior part of the continents. Usually, grass here is short and nutritious. Wild buffalo, bisons, antelopes are common in the temperate region. Thorny bushes, these are found in the dry desert-like region. Tropical deserts are located on the western margins of the continents. The vegetation's cover is scarce here because of the scanty rain and the scorching heat. Do you know? The grasslands are known by the different names in the different regions. The tropical grasslands is known in East Africa as the savanna, Brazil, in Campos, and in Venezuela, Llanos, and the temperate grasslands, Argentina, it now is the Pampas, and North America, prairies, and South Africa, wild, and Central Asia, steppe, and Australia, down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all notifications.